Welcome to this video on accessible PDFs. Ever wondered what makes a PDF accessible? Let's find out. An accessible PDF is a well-structured document that can be easily read and understood, not just by people, but also by assistive technologies like screen readers. Without proper tagging, a PDF appears as just a block of text for screen readers, leading to confusion or missing important information. So, how does accessibility work in a PDF? It all starts with remediating the PDF, that means by correct tagging. Tags act like instructions for screen readers, helping them understand the role of each content element in the document. Headings are tagged as H1, H2, H3 based on their level. Paragraphs are tagged as P. Images are tagged as figure, with alt text describing the image. Tables, lists, and form fields have their own specific tags too. All these tags are organized within a tag tree, which ensures content is read in the correct order. Remember, accurate tagging is key to ensuring proper form filling and accessibility. Incorrect tags can lead to confusion or errors during form completion or reading. An accessible PDF ensures equal access to information, making your content usable for everyone. That's all about accessible PDFs. Thank you.